Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TubeBuddy, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into TubeBuddy, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in TubeBuddy and press enter. Click on the official TubeBuddy website link in the search results. Once the website loads, locate the login button in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see options to log in with either your Google account or your YouTube account. If you choose to log in with your Google account, click on the Login with Google button. A new window will appear, prompting you to enter your Google account credentials. Input your email address and click Next. Then, enter your password and click Next again. If prompted, complete any additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once authenticated, you will be redirected back to TubeBuddy's dashboard. If you prefer to log in using your YouTube account directly, choose the corresponding option. You may need to grant TubeBuddy permission to access your YouTube account. Review the permissions requested and click Allow to proceed. After granting permission, you will also be redirected to your TubeBuddy dashboard. Congratulations, you are now successfully logged into TubeBuddy. If you encounter any issues, double-check your credentials and ensure your internet connection is stable. That's it. You are ready to explore all the features TubeBuddy has to offer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.